Let's talk about how to fix that error E. Server Timeout issue in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
But take a deep breath. Relief is on the horizon. In this video, we'll dive deep into practical, step-by-step troubleshooting methods designed to conquer error easily and get you back on the road, dominating the tracks with smooth, uninterrupted gameplay. First things first, before you pull your hair out, always check if the problem is on their end, not yours. Head over to the official Forza support website or their social media channels like Twitter. They usually post real-time updates regarding server outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, unfortunately, you'll just have to wait it out. If the servers are looking good, let's try the classic turn it off and on again fix. Completely exit Forza Horizon, then fully shut down your console, or while it's off, power cycle your router and modem by unplugging them for about 50 seconds before plugging them back in. This often clears up temporary network glitches and can resolve the error. Sometimes corrupted game files or an outdated game version can cause these server hiccups. Open your Xbox up or Steam, right-click Forza Horizon and select Verify Integrity of Game Files for console players. Ensure your game and system software are fully updated. Pending updates can sometimes interfere with online connectivity. This step ensures your game client is in tip-top shape.
If the error persists, it might be time to delve into your network settings. Ensure your firewall isn't blocking fuzz connection. You might need to add an exception for the game. Additionally, consider changing your servers to a public one like Google's Android or Cloudflare's Google for potentially more stable connections. A wired Ethernet connection over Wi-Fi can also significantly improve stability and reduce timeouts.